of the ladies in white and blue as they take on the defending champions, De La Salle University.
Well, it's going to be a test of character for this NU
Yes.
squad. You know, they were up 2-0 there against Ateneo, and they lost the next 3. I'm actually wondering how they will be in
Yes.
this match against Ateneo. How is their mental preparation?
One thing they can take away from that loss to Ateneo was that they learned the lesson. They learned that they cannot celebrate
Yeah, you were
too
telling
early.
me. You were telling me a while ago.
Because it seemed that they were celebrating after taking that second set. Because the second set was really a tug of war. It went really high, 32-30.
Yeah, wow.
Diba? At nakuha ng NU yun. So, sometimes it's disheartening for a team when you fight so hard but then come up short. But Ateneo really showing that the experience that they built playing together for the past 4 years has really strengthened their character, and they showed it in their last game against NU.
That's what we always talk about as sportscasters. We always say that, you know, the difference lies also in that spunk. You know, the mentality going into every match. Obviously, Ateneo has that finals experience already, and that helped them in that match. And that's actually, even if they're down 9-10, that's how they got the first set also.
Del Mundo, long set there. Michelle Tew couldn't adjust properly. Difficult set though.
Well, what a tall front line for Giselle Tan. You have Valdez and Tajima manning that spot.
Valdez pounding it off that block. I'd like to see Tan set up some balls for Tajima.
Expect her to give it to Tajima. You know, I'm sure how many years from now that'll be a lethal combination. I'm predicting.
Okay, I'm going to write that down. No, but I'm sure Ateneo fans will be delighted to see how Tajima develops. Already following, anticipating the improvement of Tajima.
Emergence.
Yeah. All right, let's go now and get an update on the Ateneo side with Judy Sarah.
Coach Roger doesn't give too much instructions to the Eagles. He just keep on reminding them to play and do their individual jobs. Sabi lang ni Coach, ayusin nyo lang yung laro nyo. Huwag nyong hayaang pumunto sila dahil sa errors natin. Tapusin natin to agad. Coach also added to not play relaxed and don't put all the jobs on Eliza. And Anton, as you can see, there is no Gem Ferrer inside the court for the Blue Squad. Coach Roger mentioned a while ago that as much as possible, Gem will rest today, but if the game calls for an action, she will definitely be back on court. Anton?
Thank you, Judy, for that detailed report, including the injury update on Gem Ferrer. She suited up, but Coach Roger not trying to risk anything.
Cross-court. Mapatayin nyo na 3 lang ang kukuha ng cross-court. Okay? Papaluin nyo yan down the line. Okay? Out of 10. Okay? Mangyayari lang, 2 lang attempt yan. Okay? So mas malaki yung chances din sa cross-court pa rin. Gusto niya power eh. Mahirap ang power dyan. Okay? So cover nyo na yun, yung cross-court na yan. So cross-court, tsaka ikaw, tsaka yung isang open. Ha? Batayin mo lang yung short na yan. Okay? Tignan mo ngayon, maliit yung blocker mo doon sa down the line. Okay? So pwede kang mag-create ng ano doon. So pwede ka rin mag-drop ball sa likod ng blocker. Sa likod yung defense nila.
Well, Coach Ubalde, they're talking really about defense, which is, you know, they're actually, compared to the first set, they're playing much, much better here in their second set, but still, defense is still the key, and they need to communicate. Coach Ubalde talked about down the line, gave options to Bersola, noting that you have a small blocker.
Yeah.
Giselle Tan is in front of you, go there, attack that.
Trying to find a weakness on the Ateneo defense, and Tan has been highlighted as that. Well, let's see if UP will respond. That's a service error by Ho.
Well, UP, you know, even if they're playing against a strong squad in Ateneo, they're actually putting up a good show here in this match.
Tan sets it up to Tajima.
Oh, good cover. Oh,
So Tajima will get the point.
well, that could be the start of something big.
We have a Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.